Tashdile, I'm Thage, a teacher from TCB Suja, India. This year I've been very fortunate to get 1 year scholarship from Tibet Fund along with 16 other Tibetans. So presently I'm taking 1 year special education course at the University of Northern Iowa, and I joined this university this spring, and it's already summer now and I'm on my long summer break. And since we don't have access to dormitory during summer holiday, I'm staying here with my host family, Mr. Jerry and his wife, Mrs. Pam McMullen, in their residence, and they have been very good to me so far. And during my summer break, since I don't have any special classes as such, I do small summer job at the university bakery, and during my short time and off days I help my host family in the garden and yard, etc. And to talk about my food, well, sometimes my host family takes me out and sometimes I got on my own, but most of the time I cook at my home, because cooking is so much fun and you can eat whatever you feel like eating. And I make tingmo, momo and so many other things. And sometimes during hot afternoon, I go to my basement room and fiddle with my computer. I usually get hooked on to computer for hours and I miss important afternoon nap. Sometimes I'm lucky and get good afternoon nap. I heard that if we sleep, right after the lunch, we will gain weight. But in my case, it's not true, because I'm still skinny even after taking so many afternoon naps, and I don't understand. Well, my mother always tells me, Thanzen, you should never forget to pray, and she always tells me to pray. So sometimes during the daybreak, I stay outside my house and do some prayer, and I feel good. I'm holding my prayer book, which my wife had already packed before I leave my home. She also wants me to pray. And every once a week or twice, I go out with my friends and stroll the market. Right now, I'm with my Tibetan friend Tokme, a teacher from Upper TCB.